What up, Mr. Kid here again for another one. We're gonna be moving on with the build. We got these ball joints in and the car is back on the road. We're gonna be removing all the sound deadening material. We're about to paint the inside and quite possibly be on the market for a 4-point roll cage. So yeah, I got all the seats taken out and everything like that. So yeah, check it out and here we go. So we already got the car fully stripped. Got all the seats out, carpet, everything like that from the wire tuck. Just got to take this glove box out because I was working on it a little bit, and then we can move forward with getting all this shit out of here. Yeah, we're gonna try to do it all today here. Passenger side, driver side, the little couple bucket seats in the back, and then in the back that has a little bit as well. So we're gonna be going to San Diego Ice Company right there off the 8 and grab about 11 pounds, 12 pounds to get this going. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned, and yeah, we're gonna be weighing it as well, see how much it actually takes out of the car. So yeah, we'll see how that works. We're right here at the San Diego Ice Company. We're gonna pick up like 12 pounds of the pellets. Got the bucket right here. So let's go get this, see what's up, and then we'll be on our way back to the crib. Yeah. So we're back home. Got 12 pounds of the dry ice right here. Got the scrapers, some gloves, my mallet, and my dustpan here to try to save them up and see how it goes. I got all the wires out the bottom so nothing gets kind of damaged, my ECU or any of the soldering stuff. So let's get this in there and see how it works. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, we just got about all the driver side off. Pretty far back here. I'm gonna start trying to recycle this here and move on to this back side of the driver's side, the passenger side. And then yeah, we'll see, and we'll just keep going. I don't think I nearly got enough, but it's all good. It's not too far from us, and we can take a little lunch break and just keep going, see how much we get. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on the back side, and then we'll see how we do. we're about just done here. Got the front all good, both sides. Just trying to get this last little piece off here around the tire. But this is all we got left here of the dry ice. I believe 20 pounds would have been great, but we got 12. So we're just trying to see how much we can possibly get. Hopefully this. So we made it with the 12 pounds here. Got the last little bit of ice here. Almost a full bucket. You can see we got the front passenger in the back by the seat. Driver side, on both sides of the driver. The little mats in the back here. And we even got the little piece right here. Got a little bit of vacuuming to do so we can get all the rest. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll get this weighed and see how much we actually save. All right, we got the car all vacuumed out. We emptied it out into the bucket here. I got a weak ass scale because since my other one broke. So this is how we're gonna have to do it. We got this wood on there, which is right about 4 pounds. No, right about 9 pounds, this piece of wood here. So then we're gonna weigh this bucket. So the bucket doesn't weigh nothing pretty much. Not even a pound. So okay, so we know that. So then now we're gonna put all of our sound deadening stuff here and see what we get. So we right at 20 pounds. So it looks like we right about 13 pounds. Right about 13 pounds of stuff that we sound deadening that we got off the car. 21 pounds. So it's right at 21. So 21 pounds. Minus, yeah, so right around 13 pounds that we saved here. So yeah, I paid about $1.75 a pound for 12 pounds, so it was about 23 bucks. So 23 bucks to save about 13 pounds. I think it's worth it. Now we can move on and paint this thing and get ready to go, man. Get ready for this cake. Well, that's it from this one. We all done with the sound deadening material. We ended up getting about 13 pounds off the hatch for about 24 bucks. Not bad. Yeah, now we can start prepping for the paint and getting this thing painted up and quite possibly get a cage. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and stay tuned for the next one.